Hello everyone, Mike Arnold here, co-founder, patron, and partners along with Bob Iacchino. Checking in on Ethereum. Ethereum, potential double top. Rotation zone out of the way on the 4 hour, not yet triggered. It would need to get a close or an extended move below 516.63. The next level's down 502. Then the key level 495, we have a cluster there. 494 to 495, and then the lower probability level, because of where it cuts through these wicks, it really started to move 487.96, so really 488. Just keep that in mind in case we do get below. Essentially, the scan level is at the bottom of the potential double top. And why we see potential, because this could quickly come down, confirm it by trading below there but not closing below there, and then bouncing back in. That would be a confirmed double top. So this is still a potential double top. Same target still in place to the upside. Let's check in on that daily chart. Daily chart. So again, ran up a couple days ago, top of the rotation zone. Yesterday, nearly a doji bar, testing the lower end, testing the upper end again today, testing the upper end of the rotation zone, and so far trading lower, holding just above the 8 EMA. I hope many people can see why we use these moving averages. They're very, very predictive. They've held up in many markets for many years. You can even see before in Ethereum how they squeezed together, then we broke. We're starting to squeeze together now again. So again, if we break to the downside, those are the key levels. And you can see also this bottom level lines up nicely with the candle bodies, which is what we pay more attention to than the highs and lows. Now, if we can get above the 21, still watching for about 561, then 573, and we have the declining 50 just above there, tying in with this little ledge here where we had some prior support, so that's going to become prior resistance. Switching over to Monero. Monero, you can see spiking down, spike through our 106 to 107 area, all the way down to 102. You can also see it's bounced back, right? Here's where the level was projected from, then came back down to test the 112 level, then running up. Just want to leave those on the charts before I moved them. Already updated the retracement levels. Going to get all these levels down to the major pivot should we head lower, and now they're out of the way. Running back up, getting just above the 37.5% level. And now we have the rotation zone pretty much flat and in consolidation. So what we're going to really have to do is look to the next higher time frame to see what we're really projecting here. So we'll go to the daily time frame, and you can see have not been able to get above the 8 EMA. So that's been key resistance, and we're in this horizontal channel that's getting a little narrower. Now, if we break below about this 120 level, you can see that that's been the very key support, at least on a closing basis. Then we'll be watching for a return to about the 110 level, then the 102 level. Then we'd be watching if that was breaking 93, then 84. Now, on the rallying side, the 8, which it hasn't been able to really get above, is now trading right with this bigger gain level, 126. So that's going to be the resistance on the upside. And then if we can eventually get through there, watch for about 132, then major resistance coming in at 139, which is the top of the rotation zone. Finally, checking in on Ripple. Ripple, we had the 0.5053 trading down there, coming back up to the rotation zone. Getting support at our 0.523 level again, then breaking down to the prior 5053 level, rallying up, finally getting above the rotation zone, slamming into the 50, now just in consolidation. Just wanted to leave those levels on the chart until we got through them. Now, the key thing is really, at least on this 4 hour chart, if we can get above the 50 and about 0.55 level, that's what we'll be watching for. Or if we break down below about the 0.522 level, then we'll be watching for a possible return to the lows. There's no other major pattern shaping up here right now. Let's check in on that ever important daily chart though. So you see this really nice consolidation, has not been able to get above the 12.5% retracement level or the 8 EMA. Keeps just poking above it but closing below it. So that's going to be the real key resistance. This, again, I'm going to say the 0.55 level, just where those candle bodies are. If we do get above it, then with 0.5616 is the next key area, and above that, which you see the decline 21 and also the little support in here right there coming in about 0.58. So on any rally, watch 0.58 will be the next key level to watch for. And if we did eventually get through there, we'd be watching for 0.6194. Now, if we retest the lows and break through about this 0.50374 level, we'll be watching for 0.480, then about 0.457 to 0.4458, little cluster down here. So we have for you on Ripple. We will talk to everyone again soon. Bye for now.